everybody, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Rachel and I'm super excited for this video. Today I'm going to do an eyebrow tutorial based off of a request I had from a friend. A big shout out to Stephanie, a big shout out to Miss Minayo, a big shout out to Eve Maina. Thank you so much for your support, girlies. I really appreciate you. And to everyone who's supporting me silently or loudly, I still see you and I appreciate you big time. I'm gonna need a powder. For this case, I'll be using Luron powder, but I usually see people use no, you can use a powder. I'm doing it my way. So yeah, so you'll need a razor blade to shape your brows. Mine are already shaped. Mine are usually very thin. I'm sorry I did not get to show you that part, but these are my brows. They are very thin, so there's no need of shaping. But if you have thicker brows, you'll have to go for shaping, either tweezing, either threading, or just use a razor blade. Yeah, so a little bit of it. If you're the person who do not like, you're the type of person who do not like to interfere with your brows, then just go for a little bit of trimming, because that will go a long way in you being able to come up with a perfect brow. Then next off, I have this brush just to brush off my brows when I'm starting. Oh, I didn't show you quite clearly. This is the brush. Yeah. Then I have my eye pencil. I'll go with a black eye pencil. This is just the regular eye pencil, and you have to make sure that it is sharpened to the core. Let me just sharpen it right away so that you can be able to see. Yeah, it needs to be sharpened. Then I'll be going with this brush to shape off, how do I call it, this part that needs this brush. You can choose a thinner brush. This is what I have for this video, but you can, if you can get a thinner brush just to shape, I do not know how to call that, but you'll be able to see. Then concealer. This is my concealer, Pro Concealer. Yeah, those are basically what you need. So yeah, let's get started, guys. Hope you're gonna follow this process. I'm just going to do it here. so that will surface for today's video. You can see it's such a simple process, but we're gonna explore more. If you're a beginner, if you're a beginner in makeup, or you really feel like you need to start on your own makeup journey, I feel like starting with your brows is a very key thing before you get to other parts. So I hope this was helpful. Yeah, so that will be it for today's video. Stay tuned for more content, DIY hair content, and also makeup. And yeah, so that's it. Till the next one, guys. Bye.